after Rahul Gandhi's explosive debut as a leader of opposition in the parliament. Of course, he's spoken earlier as an MP. Prime Minister Modi will now reply to the Lok Sabha. Remember, all of this is part of procedure. There was a president's address, then a motion of thanks, to which there is a debate and discussion, and then finally the Prime Minister speaking. All eyes will be on Prime Minister Modi's reply. This will be as on the motion of thanks on President's address. But because Rahul Gandhi's comments had drawn such a sharp criticism, specifically from the Saffron clan, it is very likely that the focus will be those comments. BJP netas even have advised senior Congress leaders to speak to Rahul Gandhi and not utter such words.
जब कभी भी राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण पर चर्चा होती है तो आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि अपने लंबे संसदीय जीवन में जो मैंने देखा है उस आधार पर मैं कह सकता हूं कि अन्य किसी विषय पर उस समय चर्चा हुई हो। इसलिए मैं अपने सभी सम्मानित विपक्ष के सदस्यों से भी आग्रह करना चाहता हूं, आप जिस विषय पर चर्चा करना चाहते हो आप चर्चा करें, लेकिन एक बार राष्ट्रपति से संबंधित जो धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव है उसको संसद में पारित करने के बाद ही करें। यह मेरा सभी से विनम्र अनुरोध है।
सर, मैं राजनाथ सिंह जी की बात से सहमत हूं। तो ऐसे करते हैं, प्रेसिडेंट एड्रेस के बाद एक दिन नीट की चर्चा के लिए दे देते हैं।
आप नोटिस देना, मैं निर्णय करूंगा। राजनाथ सिंह जी का तो सुझाव हो सकता है, निर्णय मैं करूंगा या बीएससी करेगी।
पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी का प्रोसीडिंग्स का एक स्टैंडर्ड होता है, पूरा गरिमा गिरा दिया श्रीमान राहुल गांधी ने। तो मैं आपके माध्यम से कहना चाहता हूं कि हमारा जो बेसिकली जो रूल्स एथिकेट्स है पार्लियामेंट का, उसको मानना चाहिए और उसी से सदन चलता है। एक परिवार और एक व्यक्ति से सदन नहीं चलना चाहिए। नियम, उन्होंने स्पीकर को बार बार बोला कि माइक बंद करता है। स्पीकर बार बार बोला, जब समय देता है तभी माइक ऑन होता है।
राहुल गांधी जी ने जो बोला है ये कांग्रेस की फितरत बन चुकी है। उन्होंने संपूर्ण हिंदू समाज को हिंसक कहा। अभी नए नए एलओपी बने हैं, उत्साह ज्यादा है, उच्छृंखलता ज्यादा है, तो मुझे लगता है गंभीर और परिपक्वता से विचार करें तो ज्यादा बेहतर होगा।
So I bring in Piyush here again. Piyush, because, you know, I'm expecting Prime Minister Modi may or may not take Rahul Gandhi's name directly, but he'll definitely pick on the points that he had mentioned. But why do you think it was such a showdown? Rahul Gandhi was expected to speak. He's the LOP. He will likely target the government at the center. But what do you think perhaps became those showdown, those key points? And that is what the BJP leaders and Prime Minister will reply today as motion of thanks.
But Pooja, showdown is basically on the issue of Rahul Gandhi making various statements. The government is claiming that the kind of claims those are being made by Rahul Gandhi are unsubstantiated. And remember that soon after Rahul Gandhi had concluded his speech, it was Home Minister Amit Shah who had demanded that all the claims must be authenticated. In fact, Lok Sabha Speaker had also said that yes, the evidences should be produced before the kind of claims those are being made by Rahul Gandhi. What we're also learning is that the government is going to request to Speaker to pass a direction that if Rahul Gandhi is not able to support his claims with various evidences, then he must also apologize in front of the House. So that's what the BJP is saying, that the various claims that are being made by Rahul Gandhi are false. He's trying to deviate the nation from the real issues, from the discussion on the president, on the motion of thanks to the president address, and that is why we can expect a final stormy session today also. Today, after 9:30 a.m., we can also expect few BJP MPs to protest against these statements that have been made by Rahul Gandhi on the Hindu religion. And then we can also expect Congress party to again escalate, in fact, the entire India bloc to protest in front of Parliament, demanding that there should be no control over the agencies. So we can expect a protest versus protest, and then at 11 a.m. the discussion will resume, which is most likely to continue till late in the evening.
All right, Piyush, keep tracking all the latest on that, because remember, while Hinduism, Hindutva were in many ways the big highlights, because Rahul Gandhi had even brought in the posters or the images of the godly figures,